Skymen fully automatic 12-tank ultrasonic cleaning machine is a high-precision cleaning system for germanium and chalcogenide glass lenses. It utilizes pure water cleaning, which is environmentally friendly and cost-effective, through effective multiple ultrasonic cleaning, rinsing, and drying cycles. It achieves high levels of cleanliness. The equipment mainly consists of a customer-connected industrial control computer system, PLC programming system, Ethernet communication, independent lifting agitation system, and robotic arm system. Enabling automated cleaning, it features 5 different cleaning programs that can be edited and modified, and all programs can be remotely controlled and monitored.